Hey guys, I know I'm playing replay and I have a secret to tell you. I'm actually speaking Filipino, yes. I keep a secret. I always speaking over in English because I don't want to know you guys. Because you will say, you're Filipino, I don't understand you. So I play this. So I'm playing replay. This is my first time making a video. I'm playing mobile right now. Okay, why I'm speaking English when you know I'm speaking together? Okay, let's go. Okay, teka. Ooh! Wait. Teka lang. Teka lang. Yay! Bago ng damit. Ooh, ganda ka lang. Okay, wait. Oh! Okay, there we go. Okay. Come on, guys. Wow! I will give mine because I have wait, is it 10? No, it's not 10. What was it? So I'm gonna wear this. Gonna wear this like 2. Oh, this one! Okay. I have to take off. Why I cannot see my character right now? Cannot see my character. Why I cannot? Wait. Why are you gonna stay? Why I'm speaking? Naglalaro na ako. Yeah! Except for lucky was a Friday. Go. I'm sorry for they're so annoying. I'm sorry, not mom. Mom's precious. Okay, let's go. I have actually a makeup, guys. I don't know. I don't want some. I don't wear. Okay, I will take off my glass. No, I cannot take off the. Oh, there we go. There's one makeup. See, guys. Can we change it? Yay! We can change it! Huwag ka maingay. So, kaya lang ako gumagawa ng video na yun eh. But, I want pink. Because there's so many things I can do. Guys, this is where the user should come. Wait. Oh my! Pangalan ko sa... Oh my God! Tumubig ako! Oh my God! Okay. Wow! Okay. Yay! It's safe! Wow, they're trying to search my video. Olivia, it's like parang buwit sa baba. I don't know what, ano yun. So, okay, let's save. I cannot. But gumagawa ba siya ng video? Yes, let's go guys. Get me. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. Let's go. No, I don't want. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go play Space Werewolf. It's my favorite game. It's my favorite game. Oh my god. Wait, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. Just going to the bathroom. Wait, I'm gonna be like. Why am speaking English? Wait, bakit ako nagsasalita? Edit all down. Sabihin mo, Paishan, sabihin mo kaya ipapakalbo din. Okay, wait, guys, why I got banned? Guys, what's wrong? Let's go back to the game. What's wrong? Okay. Why I'm speaking English? Mami, natututo na ako mag-English. Hindi ako makatigil mag-English. Kapag gusto mag-speak ng Tagalog, nag-English ako. But I want Tagalog. Okay. Why? Let's go, guys. Yes, go. I want to speak Tagalog. Okay, guys. What? What does that mean? Okay. Okay. Just, guys, ignore it. Why? Oh my god, it's so slow! Hurry up! I was thinking about me, I was thinking about me, I was thinking about me, so I was thinking about I was thinking about me, I was thinking about me, so I was yeah. I was thinking about bad boys. It's my first time making a video. Hello guys, I'm so happy. Oh my god, it's so much faster. Hurry up game. I don't want to see this wolf face right now. Guys, let's go. I was thinking about what moves. Oh, Mami, huwag magsalita kapag naglalaro. Okay, I said them to be quiet now. Please stop speaking English. Stop, Summer, speaking English. Oh my god, hurry up. Gay. I'm gonna cry. Guys, I was thinking myself because this is so slow. I was thinking about what? Please, the game is almost there. I cannot believe this, guys. I'm playing on my mobile right now in my phone, cell phone. So this is gonna be easy. This thing over here, this wall, I want to punch it on the face. I don't want to see it. Please hurry up. Please hurry up, Nine. Please. Please, there we go. This is the two last one. It's only two. Come on. 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 I don't want to see face. I want to see it. I'm just going to the moon. Toot, toot. all of them going to the moon. Oh my god. There we go, guys. Let's go. Are we going in? There you go. Yay! Let's go to classic, guys. Let's go to classic. Why my avatar is that? My avatar is not that. My phone is lagging, guys. My avatar. Huh? Guys, there's something wrong. There's something wrong, guys. There's something wrong with my avatar. Why I'm speaking English? I cannot stop speaking English. Oh my god! That's me. Or. Okay, guys. This is brilliant.
Pag ako namatay, alam nyo na.
Bahala kayo dyan. Gagawa na ako ng task. Teka lang. Bakit yung mic ko hindi wala? Oh my god! Parang wala akong signal. Lahat sila sa line. Wow. Kasi na gumawa tayo ng task, baka mamatay pa tayo sa killer. Baka si Ten. Takbo. Oh guys, oh my god, I thought it's gonna be sa baka sila. Wala akong killer. Bakit yung mic ko parang walang lumalabas?
Ay, number 4.
Nakinulong ako! Nakinulong ako, guys. Sino kaya yun? Oh my god! Please, wag punta sa bed!
Kaya?
Maingay.
Si number 6 hindi gumagawa ng task. Pinapansin ko siya lakad lang ng lakad. Tapos ito ay bigla akong nakita may namatay na lang dito. Tapos di niya pa i-report. Tinititigan niya lang.
Basta magawa din talaga ako ng task and nag-report sa number 10.
Mami! Hindi pala, ma'am. Ay, guys, pupunta lang ako sa task. Kaya lang, nakaano ba yung mic ko?
Minsan mataas yung score ko.
Nakaano ba?
Wala masabi so.
Mami!
Wala guys, nagtatas lang ako kanina and biglang may nag-report.
Ano? Hindi.
Number 6 yan. Kanina pa yan.
Hindi ako nagsasalita.
Baka actually yung killer. Pinatay niya si
Malabas naman.
Yung number 6 muna kaya.
Sabihin
Hindi
nyo!
gumagawa ng task yan. Kanina pa lakad na lakad.
Sabihin nyo, kapag ako yung nagsasalita.
Kita mong naglalag ako kanina.
Sino ba
Number
unang
6 yan. Number
ibobote?
6.
Sino ba
Nasa
unang
ano ako
ibobote?
eh. Nasa study ako.
Nakasalita mo.
Sino ba unang ibobote? Si
So guys, okay, 15 God, civilian. Oh! Tingnan mo, ma'am. Video, tumatanda na ako. Ay, meron. Kaso hindi naman si number 3. Number 3! Tari! Na! Sabi ko na eh. Si Tari. Yung hindi ako sasalita o walang lumalabas na parang buhit. Oh, down. Paano niya ako napatay? Sobrang layo ko sa kanya. Naglalag talaga cellphone ko at hindi ako nagsasalita. Gagawin lang ako.
Nakita ko yung number 3. Puki nang pinatay mo. Nasa CCTV ako.
Yay! Buti nakita ko!
Akala mo
Buti nakita ko.
Ayun guys, si number 3.
5 Wheeler Bangki. Pagkiyam mo.
Tangina nyo naman eh. Nagbe-bend pa ako dun sa kitchen. Hayop kayo.
Kanina yan. Kaso patay na ako.
Oo, ay, hindi, si Chris, sinungaling, biglang niya pinatay daw si to. Tama si Ten.
Oh, bakit siya?
Si number 3 tsaka si number 9 siguro.
Nagulat na lang ako. Tumingin ako sa CCTV. Bigla niyang pinatay. Gagi. Nagulat ako doon. Sabi namin, di ba nang isa obserbahan pa namin.
Sunod si si
Ang killer ay si number
Sunod si 9. Sunod si 9.
True. Pinagtatang.
No, ayoko. Dahil pinatay niya ako. Number 3. Oh, ba't di ako nagsasalita sa free play? Yay! Ba't pa ay nag-skip na? Dahil nagkakasampe. Bye-bye! Killer, haha. Sino pa kaya yung isang killer? Hanapin ko. Killer! Si number 3. Haha! Deserve. Sino isang killer?
Number 10 si 9. Si 9
Kasama ko yung number 1 ha. Pag
Sino yung isang killer naman? Bakit ang hirap? Uy! Oh my God! Guys, hindi ako makain ng maigi. What's wrong with this phone? Thank you. Oh, si number 8. Okay. Number 8. Bawin eh. Please, number 8 gawin mo. Gusto mo number 8. No, number 1. Wag, number 1. Number 1, wag. Yes. Yung bakit di ako nagsasalita sa WePlay? Ako ba naririnig niyo ba ako? Oh my God! Sabotage! Sabotage! Narinig yun! Oh, ay, kala ko si number, nasa sabotage. Kami nagpas nandun yung dito eh. Let's go. Mama, huwag ba i-dry siya? Yun! Ay, ito sabotage siya nakita.
Nakain mo na si Jack.
Higa na siya doon.
Wala.
Wala, bahala kayo. Hindi ako yung killer.
Si number 8 yan, B. Kanina pa offensive ang putik.
Si number
Ba, hindi ako yun. Hindi. Sila yun.
Kanina
number 8 yun.
Bakit slash?
number 8 yan po. Kanina ko pa kasama tong number 1, tinitingnan nga namin. Sabi ko pasama ko kanini.
Kaya nga, kasama kami ng
Ah, si Eta.
Bigla ka na
Maglilig na ako.
kasama kami ng number 10.
Sabi daw kapag gumagawa ng video, wala, dapat tahimik. Number 8. Please vote ko si 8. Yay! Bye-bye. Yay! Yay, guys! So, bye, guys! Bye! Bye, guys!